Much less two. From that angle, maybe we can get another view. First of all, the reality of first and goal. 380! Perry! That one registered 3.8. Another Super Bowl record, the first refrigerator to score.
And the largest running back ever to score a touchdown.
And Walter Payton, I guess they figure they got a whole quarter to go.
And they're going to run out of footballs the way they're going.
Well, they had 36 to start.
But big number 72 already had experience at the goal line. His name, William Perry, alias the Refrigerator.
Enjoys himself.
First and goal from the 1-yard line, hand off to the Perry. William Perry has scored on a 1-yard touchdown run in the Super Bowl.
It was